Hello everyone and welcome to the 10th tutorial on HTML course. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create list in HTML. Now, list is a very commonly used HTML element and every web page has some sort of list. For example, a website menu is implemented with the help of list element. And if you want to give a step-by-step instruction, or if you want to mention steps in a recipe, then you will obviously use list element. In short, a list is there when you are trying to put together stuffs. HTML provides two main types of list, unordered list and ordered list. And in order to create these lists, we just write simple tags. So an unordered list is created with the UL tag, and an ordered list is created with the OL tag. Both the tags UL and OL are paired as they have an opening and closing. Let's write code and do some experiments. We are going to create both the lists at the same time. So an unordered list is created with the UL tag. An ordered list is created with the OL tag. As you write the UL and OL tag, your lists are actually created. But right now they are empty because there is no item inside the list. Now, for adding items in the list, we use li element. Li stands for list item. And li element is common to both unordered and ordered list, and it's embedded inside either the UL and the OL element. The item's name or the text goes in between the li tags, as you can see on your screen. Let's now write li tag and add some list item. Let's suppose I want to create a website menu. And I'll copy all the list items and paste them inside the ordered list. Now our list is complete and we have added items to the list. Let's now save the file and reload the browser. And there you see, we got two nice lists. The upper one is unordered list and the lower one is ordered list. And here you see the difference as well. This is why it's called an ordered list, because we have numbers here. And this is the only difference. Unordered list creates bullets and ordered list creates numbers. Now it's a very useful element, as I said earlier, and they are used to create websites menu. They provide base structure and group the related items. Once you have a list, then you can use CSS to style them. You can create a lot of different effects, such as you can remove the bullets or the numbers using CSS, or you can arrange them in a row and add extra spacing. In short, there are so many cool stuffs that you can do using CSS. This list has type attribute that you can even use to change the style of the list. For example, if you want alphabets instead of numbers or Roman numbers, then you can write attributes directly inside the tag and give it a value. Let's see an example. If you want alphabets, then you can just write O as a value. And if you want Roman numbers, then you write I as a value. Let's save and check it out. And there you see the style is changed. Now we have Roman numbers. In the description of this video, you can find all the values available for type attribute. But if you use CSS, then you have a very wide range of styling options. So in this tutorial, we learned how to create lists in HTML. In the next coming tutorial, we will learn how to create embedded lists. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.